Hi everybody, I hope Dubrovnik is full of sunshine and I bet you have a great conference there. I wish I was with you, but all I can do at this point is to share some thoughts and experiences that I've had in the last 2 years with a new concept, new global project called Innovation Journalism. It was by coincidence that I got together with the father of the concept, David Norström, and we clicked immediately. At that time and even before, I worked a lot on the concept of innovation and innovation systems, innovation communities, innovative companies, and I found innovation journalism immediately as extremely useful, basically missing little piece in the overall model of how to boost the innovation concept in society. So anyhow, I started working with them immediately, and we started running a couple of pilot projects for them in Slovenia. One of them, which is really exciting, is how to develop innovative local community with the help of innovation journalism. The other one, of course, was that for the first time ever this year in June in Ljubljana, there's going to be awarded a special award to the best media contribution on a theme of innovation. And of course, we evaluated over 76 participants that entered through the concepts of innovation journalism. And then in parallel, we kind of published many different articles, interviews, stressing out how important it is to include media as an active member of innovative society, because if we like it or not, media is creating the set of values, and if they do not support innovation, and if they are not aware of really what is innovation altogether and how is it formed and how the innovative processes are going, I mean, what are the basically the tools and how they could be effectively used, then they cannot write about it. So I believe that that's really the major motivation behind the program that Stanford is now running for media people, to teach them how to really understand innovative systems, innovation systems, and how to present them critically in public. So this is really a brief outline about my experiences. So far in Slovenia has been very positive. We were really nicely surprised with the support of all major media houses in Slovenia. They all kind of support officially the concept of innovation journalism. Our conference that last year was just the spur of the moment. This year is well organized, and it's we expect really lots of participants, and it's very international. And I hope to see some of you, of course, joining us in June, which is the 14th and 15th of June. And Lara can really tell you everything about you. That she knows, she's been actively involved in the organization of the conference as well. So let me stop at this point. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to really share the thoughts and experiences with you, and I really hope we're going to be able to do that in person, live, either in Dubrovnik next year or maybe already in June in Ljubljana. So I really wish you have a good conference, a good conclusion of the conference, and talk to you and see you soon.